So y'all, I'm trying to make this intro really fast. I'm at the Saucy Crowd right now picking up me a seafood boil bag. But I'm finna prank my boyfriend niece. I'm finna do that car wash prank thing. I'm gonna let the window down. I think this gonna be hilarious because she is crazy, y'all. So just wait for it. I just be laughing on the inside thinking about how she gonna react. It's gonna be fucking crazy.
Quit, Trace.
What?
You just let it down again.
That was an accident.
I know it. Just let it be. It's good now. There you go. Get your hand off of it, baby. It did it again. Get your knee off, but maybe your knee doing it. Tracy, you letting the goddamn window down. Get your goddamn knee off of it.
Girl, my knee fucked up. Don't hit my knee.
I don't
like
give a
that.
damn. You letting the window down. Trace! Move your finger. It's not a goddamn game. Can you move your goddamn leg from it? Shit.
Okay.
Trace,
It's done. I'm done.
Get
I'm
your
done.
finger off of it.
I'm done. Fuck.
Just
It's
let it
over
go by
with.
itself. Okay, there you go with the goddamn button. You on bullshit.
It's a prank. It's a prank, Letha. I've been seeing people do it on YouTube.
Fuck you too.
It's a prank.
Wow.
You mad?
No.
I gotta wipe my phone off. I'm hot and
Magic
greasy in
went
this car,
too.
y'all. She mad.
Gulch ain't gonna buy this one. You gonna buy it. Now tell the goddamn prank on that. Our Teresa's gonna buy me another motherfucking boat. How you like that one?
What's wrong with this phone, girl?
Girl, all that shit wet.
No, it's not.
It is.
Yeah. It was a prank. God.
Fuck a goddamn prank. You buying the next boat.